Dear students, today I will teach another thing in literature, one very good picture story, that is Kuttu's Dream. This is chapter 5 in your literature syllabus. English literature syllabus, this is chapter 5, Kuttu's Dream. Suppose you are Kuttu. Now what will happen? Kuttu is a very sweet and cute name, as you all have that cute figure and cute faces and cute names, and your sweet activity just makes you adorable towards everybody. So Kuttu's dream is also like that. Kuttu's habits and Kuttu's lifestyle is also it is matching with you in most of the time. So just if you have the book while watching the video, it will be better. The first question of this book, I can see, do you have dreams? Do you like to dream? Yes or no? I think yes, because whole day you are doing so many activities, and when we think or when we work anytime very deeply and sincerely, sometime it happens. Actually it depends also on various factors. So sometimes we just observe, we just watch that kind of activity, that kind of thing, and we dream, or we actually imagine in time of dreaming. Our imagination, it becomes the dream. Not only that, we are dreaming when the time is important, when you are awake or while you are sleeping. Obviously when you are sleeping, that time you imagine and you see all the things. Sometimes it is very unnatural, means what doesn't happen any time to you. Suppose you are meeting with a very popular person, suppose your best player, best cricketer, you are meeting in your dream. Sometimes you are getting the foods which you like very much, but sometimes your mother do not give you, as it maybe it is harmful. Suppose you are getting pizza, ice cream in your you are eating lot of ice cream, you are eating lot of pizza in your dream, but in fact actually it doesn't going to happen. So this is called the dream. Actually what is not the true always, that we see while we sleep. Dream has many causes and many scientific reasons, but till then we are dreaming, and we all have some sweet dreams when we actually sleep at night. Now the question is, do you have dreams? When do you dreams? When you are awake or while you sleep? So this is the big question. You can answer this question very easily. Yes, I dream while I sleep. Do you remember any of your dreams? Means recently you have seen any dreams, and that can you remember, and that can you narrate in your own words. Tell your favorite dream to your class. To your class means to your friend, to your teacher also you can share your dreams. Okay, this is all about the dream. Now what I want to impose, what I want to say while reading this chapter, that you have to grow up the reading habits. Books reading is very important. Language learning, it has 4 skills. It has how many skills? It has 4 skills. 1, reading. 2, writing. Another, listening and speaking. It has the serial also. But now I am telling you very generally that language learning has 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So reading is one of the skill. Now while you are looking at the book, and what is the punctuation mark, means where there is question mark, you have to ask the the sentence. And when there is full stop, this is just a statement. When there is exclamatory sign, means there are many things. You don't know about so many things, but the main thing what requires in you, that is the sincerity. If you sincerely listen to your teacher or to your parent, you can understand how to say the words, how to talk, and how to do the modulation. Voice modulation means how it will go up and down. Okay. Now I am starting the book reading. You just follow the reading. In future, maybe in half yearly or next any exam or in class also, when the school will reopen, that time we will take reading test also. Means how well you can read. So reading is a very good habit, and while you will read any book, any chapter, any subject, that time you will read loudly with full voice. Okay. Try to read. If you don't know the meaning, if you don't know the word, how to pronounce, take help from your parent, because they are the immediate tutor to you. I am always talking in mobile through internet connection. So I can say, if you follow my pronunciation, you can say many things quite clearly. But suppose you forget while I was talking, that time you listen, but next you forget. So you can ask your parent. It will be very easier for you. Now come to the lesson, and if you have the book, then you just look at the book. If you don't have the book, and take the book and open the book, Kuttu's Dream, the chapter, the page number is 32. Now you just listen how I am reading. Kuttu has just come from his school. Means this is the background. What is going to happen? You can see in my book. You have the same book. You see here, this is Kuttu's room, and this is the Kuttu, the little boy. Open the door, and there is sofa, there is one small table, one flower vase, and this is a room. Okay. Now I am reading. Picture you can see in your book. Now I am reading. You just follow the reading. Kuttu has just come from his school. Mummy, I am hungry. Mummy gives him food. Kuttu goes to sleep. Maybe it is daytime or afternoon, because Kuttu has returned from the school, and Kuttu directly go to his mummy and ask mummy to give food and say that I am hungry. So mother understood, and mother gave him food. After taking food, Kuttu fell asleep. You can see in your book, Kuttu is sleeping. Here you can see in your book, Kuttu is sleeping. Kuttu is dreaming. Now dream starts. He finds himself in a jungle. Hey, who are you? So how will you read? This is the exclamatory sign. You can see after hey, this is the exclamatory sign. It shows our anxiety, feelings, horrors, or anything, any kind of excitement is presented by this sign. After H-E-Y, hey, so you see there is one sign. This is the exclamatory sign, and at last this is the question mark. After you, that is the question mark. Then that means you are asking something. Okay. Now, how will you say? Hey, who are you? I am a kangaroo. What is that? This is my pouch. You can see the kangaroo's picture. In his belly there is one extra pocket like structure. This is called a pouch, and here is Kuttu. Kuttu is talking with the kangaroo in a jungle. So it is not possible for a child to go to the jungle and meeting with the wild animals. Actually it happens for dreaming only. While we are dreaming, we can, I told you what is unnatural, that also you can see, that also you can imagine. And suppose a wild animal whom we cannot expect in our surroundings, that also we are looking at in the dream, and we are talking them with. Okay. So what is that? This is my pouch. Now next picture. What do you keep in it? I keep my baby in it. Then Kuttu meets a camel. So with the kangaroo, conversation over. Now Kuttu meets a camel. Wow, you are so tall. What is that on your back? Sorry, it is back. What is that on your back? You can see one camel picture is there, and the camel's back portion, it is very high. It has a good height. You can see the back portion, and that top portion, it is called the hump. It is called the hump. It is my hump. I store food in it. Why in your hump? So what is this? This is a sentence, but not only that, this is a question. Okay, this is a interrogative sentence or question. Why in your hump? Generally we keep food in, we believe that we human beings, we keep food in a hot pot or bowl or any kind of plate, but the animal camel is putting his food in his hump, in his back. So why? It creates a query in Kuttu's mind. The camel answered, I live in a desert. There is not much food or water there. I store it in here so that I can use it when I am hungry. Kuttu is listening camel's answer. Now Kuttu is satisfied. Kuttu got the answer. Now you see the most interesting. Just then Kuttu touched a leaf and something jumped. So what is that? Now see what Kuttu is saying. Ouch! You scared me. Why didn't I see you? Ouch! How will you say? Ouch! You scared me. Why didn't I see you? So this is a question, but there is full stop. Okay. Again I am repeating, you just listen. Ouch! You scared me. Scared means to make afraid, to make fearful. Why didn't I see you? I am a chameleon, means one kind of lizard. I can change my color. This lizard really can change their color. This is one kind of quality of this animal. So later we will discuss on it. So now you see, I can change my color. Oh, so that you can hide in the leaves. Yes. If the lizard can change its color, it can hide in the leaves. It is green, leaves are also green, so nobody can understand what is there on the branches of the tree. And this lizard is also, this chameleon is also sitting on the branches, sitting on the branch of the tree. You can see here, you can see here the animal which is green, and here also just beside the leaves it is also, color is green now, but when necessary it can change its color. So how many animal Kuttu met in the jungle? 1, that is kangaroo. Number 2, what is the number 2 animal? That is camel. Number 3, what is that? Chameleon or the lizard. Now number 4, another animal. Can you tell me what is the name of the 4th animal? It is very tall, the tallest animal. It has the tall neck so that they can eat the topmost leaves of the tree. Yes, you are right. This is giraffe. Then Kuttu sees a giraffe. Oh my God, you are too tall, or you are so tall. Yes, I am the tallest animal. I have a long neck so that I can reach the leaves on the top of the trees. So what is the answer? The answer is the animal's neck is so long so that it can reach the top of the trees to eat the most young leaves of the trees. Suddenly, an apple drops on Kuttu's head. You can see the picture. Kuttu is standing and one apple, red apple, is just hitting on Kuttu's head. Oh, ah! So when you get hurt, you also do like this in your home, isn't it? Suppose your mother is very angry and just twisting your ears or giving you a pat. Obviously one light pat in your back. So you are just very much surprised suddenly, and you are making some sound. Maybe that sound is quite different sometimes, but here you just see, you will practice this sound. I will listen from you in future. You will practice this sound, and in front of the mirror you will stand. If possible, in mobile also you can record. If in your room there is a mirror, you will stand in front of the mirror and you will try to read the chapter and try to imitate. Suppose you are Kuttu, and in every situation you will think what is the question, what is the exclamatory sentence, what is the statement, what is the excitement. In that same kind you will do all this activity. Now you see here, Kuttu is standing under a tree, and suddenly one apple hit his head. So what is the sound here? You can see all that exclamatory sign. I told you, while we have any kind of excitement or any kind of just sudden feeling, we use this exclamatory mark, and we choose the sentence like this. Here also two sounds are there. Oh, ah, that means you get hurt. Kuttu had fallen from his bed. So what happened in reality? With the dream, reality also has some end. When our dream ends, that time we also get something hints in our reality. Suppose your mother is calling you very loudly, or shaking you that that you can wake up very quickly. And here what happened to Kuttu? Kuttu, in the dreaming, while he was dreaming, one apple fall on his head. And here what happened? Kuttu was watching the dream. So Kuttu was very much unconscious, and Kuttu has suddenly fall from his bed and get hurt. So in dream also get hurt, and in reality also get hurt. I am talking about this connection. While this connection meet, that time we open our eyes. Kuttu had fallen from his bed. He had woken and began thinking about his dream. Now he is thinking his dream. What I was dreaming? Lot of wild animals. I met with them and I talked with them. And even not only me, the animals are also talking in English with me. Can they talk in this way like a human being? Can they answer? Can they understand the feeling of human being also? Maybe, yes, but in dreams. So the story end. It's a very nice story, picture story we have chosen for you, and it is written by Swati Sharma, one poet. And some new words is there. New words are there: pouch, hump, store, scared. I will supply you the meaning. Just you go through the text, read it loudly, if possible in front of the mirror or in front of mobile if your parent allow. Then you can read this chapter and do it as it is. Suppose you are Kuttu, you are just acting like a Kuttu, and you will just read aloud. So reading habits, it should be improved. If you can improve your reading habit, then while you will read, everybody will be entertained. Everybody love your reading process. Okay, I think many of you have already started. You are all very good children. You are very good students. I am very happy with you, and you are following the class also properly. You are doing the homework properly. If you can make happy your teacher also will give you the good marks, and teacher also will love you. So now this 5th chapter, Kuttu's Dream, I have completed only reading. Next time I will give you some question answer. So today's homework, I have given a lot of homework also, you can see in your mobile. Along with this, reading several times, so that story also you can remember, and reading all habit also you can improve. Okay, bye bye.